What's up, fellow weebs? Heartless back here with another review for you. It's a little different today. I know I normally do manga content, but one of my favorite anime series is Neon Genesis Evangelion. I know some of you don't like it, some of you love it. It's kind of just messed up in general. But I'm really pumped to have this collector's edition box set for the Blu-ray. My brother got it for me back in March for my birthday. I think it was about $200 on Right Stuff, and it is a pain to find. I just figured I'd show off my background with some cool Eva stuff. I've been into Neon Genesis Evangelion since probably 2002, 2003. Yeah, back in the day, almost like 20 years ago. I got into high school, my buddy Tim showed it to me, and I was like, what the is this? This is amazing. It's a really weird, messed up psychological thriller. Yeah, I put it as psychological thriller. That has a lot of religious undertones, teenage angst, father issues, mother issues, and just insanity. So let's bust this bad boy open. I'm going to show it off and see what you guys think. I know it's kind of filler content, but hey, I've been dying to do this video. I love Eva. I got all the mangas, I got some of the light novels, side stories, I have some of the model kits. One day, eventually, I'll get around to building them. And I have a bunch of toys, I have a bunch of gash fonts, you know, Japanese capsule toys. Like, I just love them. Yeah, Pen. He's the best. Yeah, I got all the movies. Got back into it, like, I think I want to say 2015 for a 1.11. You're Not Alone, You Cannot Advance, You Cannot Redo. I bought all three of the movies. 4.4 came out, or it is Thrice Upon a Time. That came out on Amazon. Actually, was really good and wrapped up the whole series. Instead of all like the crazy OVAs I picked up over the years on DVD. You got Death and Rebirth. You got the end of Evangelion. You have the actual Evangelion series. Because the end of the series, they didn't have a budget. It was kind of like really lackluster, but I thought it was really well done. And also went with the insanity. But if you haven't seen the series, I highly recommend checking it out. And it's going to your mind, but it's pretty cool. And then you do the other OVAs, and then you do the new movies. The new movies are beautiful. They introduce a new character, Mari. Goes a little deeper. It's kind of like, it's not a side story, but it's not, it's official. I just don't know how to describe it. But anyways, it's really good. So I'll show this off, and we're going to crack this bad boy open. Alright, so hopefully there's no glare. This is the Neon Genesis Evangelion limited edition Blu-ray box set. I'll read you the blurb on the back. It says, in 2015, Tokyo 3 is under attack from angels, extraordinary beings that possess the various special abilities. Multi-purpose humanoid divisive weapons. Evangelion is the only method to counter these angels. And Shinji Ayakari is chosen to pilot it. The battle for fate of humankind has begun. Exactly what are these angels? What is destined for the young pilots? And what will become of humanity? Presented on Blu-ray for the first time in North America, this groundbreaking, action-packed series from the creator Hideki Anno has been hailed as one of the most important anime series of all times. Yeah, it's pretty good. The remarkable fusion of genres and powerful examination of relationship between man and machine. Bonus features. Complete TV series, 26 episodes. Evangelion Death True 2. Feature film. End of Evangelion. Feature film. Music videos, textless openings, trailers, TV spots, and more. Collector's edition bonus features. Series and features the classic dub and sub version. The new version that was on Netflix, I didn't like the new voice actors. Like, I'm used to whiny ass Shinji and just all that. It's what I grew up with and what I remember. So that's what I wanted. This is why it was worth buying. Because you can buy the new ones, I think for like 40, 50 bucks on Blu-ray, the whole series. But the new dub sucks a bag. Like, I don't like it. Anyways, it also has an exclusive 40-page booklet, animatics, art cards, and more. 1080p high definition, Series 1, 33.1, features widescreen 1.78, audio English, Japanese, 2003 renewal, original master mixes, subtitles, English SDS, songs and signs, bonus features, video, various subtitles in English. So yeah, that's the box. It's really nice, but for the $200 price tag, I wasn't going to buy it. But my little brother's like, what do you want? I'm like, what do I want? Just get me the Evangelion box set. Let's open her up. Ooh, yeah. Let it breathe. Take it out of the shrink wrap. Got a little leaflet like they have in most Blu-rays, DVDs. I miss the stickers. Does anybody remember the stickers that used to come on top? Those were cool. Anyway, it's got the little nerve symbol in the background. Let's take the first one. Alright, so you have Unit 1's colors, green and purple on the front, and on the back you have the nerve symbol. let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, we have episodes 1 through 7. It's a pretty big set. Then we got episodes 8 through 14. Then we got episodes 15 through 20. It's got bonus content on this one. Then we have episode 21 to episode 25. And on the 5th disc we have Evangelion Death True number 2 squared. The end of Evangelion and bonus content. That's pretty cool. I forget if it was Death or Rebirth, but they probably deleted the scene of Shinji being in a hospital next to Asuka, and he does some adult stuff, and adult stuff's on his fingers. So they probably removed that, just because it's problematic nowadays. Let's go on to the next one. What we got? Oh, we got Unit 2's color. This is cool how they do this. So we have the red and orange on it, and then we have a red Nerf symbol on the back. Alright, let's crack it open and see what we got inside it. Alright, we got disc number 7. This has bonus disc. Classic, dub, and sub. Yeah, it's got episodes 1 through 7. Okay, so the other one just had the new re-release. We got classic episodes, bonus dub. We got episodes 8 through 14. Bonus disc, classic episodes, sub and dub, 15 through 20. 10th disc we have classic dubs, 21 through 25. Take Care of Yourself. And on the 11th disc we have bonus classic, sub and dub, Evangelion Death and Rebirth 2, and the end of Evangelion. So this must be with the original cast voice for the dubs. Third box we have Unit 00. We got Rays. What's the coloring on it? That ugly, just orange and brown. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. We got a 6th disc. It has bonus content, the end of Evangelion, video format version, so it could be the original. Episode 25, Love is Destruction, and one more final, I Need You. Alright, so that was cool. What else we got in this bad boy? No, it had some other goodies in it. That's why they cost $200. We got Neon Genesis Evangelion. What's in the booklet? We got everything about all the different discs. We get some art of AV Unit 01. Some more bonus content telling you all about it. It's really nice. It's glossy, like high paper. It feels like I actually spent money that was worth it. Or, well, someone spent money on me that was worth it. Then we have Shinji seeing a Eva wrapped up. 1999 to 1998. We get the Evangelion Encyclopedia. Oh, it's cool. It shows you all the different angels, the Evas. Yeah, it just breaks down all the different episodes, a little recap with information on the angels and Evas, like I said. We get Unit 0, Ray's mech. I don't like it. I think it's ugly. I hate orange. We get Unit 2, Asuka's mech. We got some more different angels up in there. Oh, we get the hot suit when Asuka actually goes in a volcano. We get the volcano angel. We got Ray's new unit. It's not bad looking. We get the spear. Oh shit, upside down sucks. We get the later on Evas from the OVAs. We get another angel with its badass arms that unfold and just cut through everything like a razor. We have the world tree being built. We have Shinji's best friend Karu. If you know, you know. We have, I want to say these are, it's from Death and Rebirth. It's from the Spear of Longinus, episode 21. Then we have Eve over here that ends up spawning more angels. And that is it. It's really nice. It's done high gloss. We got Neon Genesis Evangelion art cards. It's in a nice little envelope style box. Let's open it. Hopefully I don't ruin anything. Because remember, this is a collector's item. Come out nice and easy. Yep. Okay. Let's take out all the cards. Oh, they're like little postcards. We got a classic shot of Shinji. The classic shot of Ray. Looks like most of this is from the manga. We got Asuka. We got Masato. I forget her name. She's a pain in the ass. Damn. See what happens. We got Kaji. We got Karu. And I'm going to go with Shinji's daddy. Ooh, look at that. Commander Akari. So yeah, all in all, this wasn't a bad little set. Like I said, it's on the pricier high end of things. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing of this. I know most of you guys typically don't like unboxings, but I thought this was a really cool, just different set, and it's one of my favorite anime series. Like I said, I have the manga and some of the spin-offs. I actually haven't read the manga. That's next to do on my to-do list. I'm also in between doing a video right now for Exo Drive. It's an isekai tournament thing. It's kooky, it's crazy, but it's going to take me too much time. So yeah, I kind of made this filler content for you guys, and hopefully you like it. Keeps the algorithm happy, and if you're happy, give me that thumbs up. Just let me know you guys it and you enjoy it, because I you guys and I enjoy it. Also, give me a sub if you haven't subbed. I'm at like 945 subscribers, so I'm still slowly growing, and I like it. I try to do once in a while this offshoot stuff. Most don't like it, but if you're really into Ava, you dig it. I dig it. I love the series. It's amazing. I'd highly recommend it. And it may trigger you. Go figure. Like I said, it's a psychological thing, but it's really good. And do me a favor, just share this like on any social media. If you want someone to check it out, be like, hey, look what this is doing. It's kind of cool. Or look at him, he's an idiot. I appreciate it. Also, click the bell notification icon. That way, whenever I post it, you guys get to know. And thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and it wasn't too weird and out of your spirit of whatever the like. Alright, bye.